Hey guys, so long time no see. It's been about 2 years since I recorded a video for my channel, and that is because I had a couple of outpatient surgeries, one in 16 and one in 2017, and they were on my face, so I wanted to be, healed and really comfortable being back on YouTube before I started making videos again. So hopefully that hiatus is the last one, and I'm done. I'm good. But thank you so much for staying subscribed to my channel, and thank you for the new subscribers that have been subscribing since I've been away. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to do a luxury collective haul, and that's just the easiest way to get back onto YouTube. I love watching these videos, so I decided to make one. And this will be a part of my channel as well, unboxings, reveals, along with the fragrance reviews. So the first piece that I have is from YSL, and my friend Rich got this for me at his Saks. He lives about 15 minutes from Saks. Mine is about an hour and 15 minutes away. So this is the box and the dust bag, and I'll show you what I have. So I picked up the card holder, and this is in the red leather gold hardware, and I'm just going to use this for my license in this slot here. But yeah, I'm just going to use that one slot. But it's a beautiful piece, and Rich's sales associate said that this color was pretty rare, so I got this one. I wanted black or brown, so I'm kind of glad I have this piece because it kind of gets me out of my dark SOG comfort zone, so it's really pretty. All right, the next four pieces are going to be from Louis Vuitton. These are my favorite SOGs, smaller the good. So the first one comes in this dust bag, and it is the zippy coin purse and monogram. Great for cards, money, cash, can hold a lot. So that's the first SOG. Second comes in this dust bag, and it's another zippy coin purse. This is in the Noir Magnetique, and it is patent leather, the vernis. And I don't know if you can see the glitter, but it's really shiny, sparkly, black, and it's beautiful. And I'm going to have this piece forever in my collection. Okay. The next piece is another zippy coin purse in this dust bag, and it is from one of the newer collections, and it is the zippy coin purse in the kabuki stickers. Just a really beautiful piece. I love this piece, and yeah, I'm not gonna ever get rid of this. Okay, and the last piece is another zippy coin purse, and it's the one that I'm using right now, and this is the zippy coin purse in the epi leather denim, the blue, white, and the yellow stitching. Really beautiful piece for summer and spring, and really smooth zipper. I have everything in it, so really functional piece. So those are four pieces that I picked up. Okay, then the next pieces will be fragrances. I have a fragrance from Louis Vuitton. This is Apogee. You can see the title there, and the packaging is really beautiful. This is the fragrance. Lily of the Valley, really beautiful. Magnetic cap. So yeah. Then I have another fragrance from Louis Vuitton as well. My friend Rich did not like this, so I bought it from him. And it is the newest release, Le Jour se lève. And it's a really beautiful, soft fragrance. Mandarin, blackcurrant. Love this. Okay. So those are my two Louis Vuitton fragrances. Then I have a Tom Ford fragrance that I picked up. And this one is the Champagne Absolute. This is the 1.7 ounce. And those Louis Vuitton fragrances were the 3.4 ounces. But yeah, this is the Tom Ford. Really beautiful floral fragrance. I really love it. Great for spring and summer. And I'll do extended reviews on those if you guys want to see them sooner than later, but I will do reviews on them regardless. Okay, and the next piece that I have, I purchased from an Instagram friend, and I got the Toiletry 15. I bought this to put my lip balms in because I'm a lip balm addict, and this is just a great piece, small piece to fit in your bag. And so I think that's all I'm going to show you for right now, but I do have an unboxing. I got this on Friday, and I wanted to wait to unbox it. I don't want to show my address, but it's from Neiman Marcus. Yeah, and this piece is really popular with a lot of designers. They're all doing these pieces. So, and this one is more affordable. So I decided to pick it up, and it's a classic piece as well. So if you something that's designer but you want to use it forever, this is a good way to go. So here's the box and the paper. So I got a sweatshirt, and all of the designers are really doing sweatshirts right now. But I picked this one up, and this is the Balmain, Pierre Balmain sweatshirt from Neiman Marcus. I'll go ahead and open it. And this is a good deal because usually designer sweatshirts are really expensive. But this one was really reasonable in my opinion. And I got the extra large, and I'll tell you the price. Because it's pretty reasonable for a designer. It was, let's see, well, it's not on the sweatshirt, but it was $3.25. Let's see if I can look in the, yeah. Gucci sweatshirts go for about $1,100 depending on the style, the most basic, and I would like to get one of those, but I decided to go ahead and get the Balmain. It's pretty sweatshirt, the gold lettering, and yeah. So, all right, guys, that's my haul. I will be back very soon with more videos, fragrance reviews, unboxings, reveals. Comment, let me know how you've been doing, and I will see you soon. All right, take care.